Hey guys, this is Shane here over at Rensselaer Honda, and right behind me we have this 2026 Honda Civic, and today I'm going to show you how to recalibrate the tire pressure light on it. All right, here we go. So if you're driving along and this message pops up on your dashboard, that's a strong indicator that one of your tires is low on air. So the first thing you need to do is just pull over as soon as possible at the closest gas station or Honda dealership and inspect all four tires, make sure there's no punctures or leaks or any damage to the tires. Once you inspect them all, just fill them up to the appropriate PSI, and then once you do that, all you have to do is get back inside the vehicle and recalibrate the TPMS light, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is just turn your vehicle on. And once you turn the vehicle on, you'll still notice that you have the tire pressure warning light on. And this will stay on even though you just filled the tires up to the appropriate pressure. And in order to get this symbol to go away, you have to recalibrate the TPMS sensors. And to do this, all you have to do is hit this home button and just keep hitting it until you get to this screen here. And once you get there, you use this to scroll up and down, and scroll down until you see vehicle settings. And once you see vehicle settings, just to press that button here, and then scroll down until you see TPMS calibration, and select that, and then scroll down, and then you hit calibrate, and then just select calibrate, and then there you go. The TPMS light is now gone. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and if you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right, thanks, guys.